What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can add custom token in PancakeSwap. Now for those people who do not know PancakeSwap, PancakeSwap is a decentralized website where you guys can swap your cryptocurrency. So let's say I have Bitcoin. If I want to change my Bitcoin into Ethereum, I can do that in PancakeSwap and with low fee. So that's basically what PancakeSwap is. And what decentralized means is PancakeSwap is not owned by anybody. It's run by nodes, which is all over the world. Now, it might sound complicated, but you guys don't need to know that technical words. I just said you because you guys might get, notified of what you guys are doing. All right. So with that said, let me show you guys how you guys can, add custom token in PancakeSwap. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And with that said, if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment and let's jump right into the video, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to pancakeswap.finance, which is the official website of PancakeSwap, and connect your wallets. After you do that, scroll a bit down and click on versus trade now. Now once you're in trade now, click on which crypto you want. So let's say on top I don't want BNB. I can click on it. Now to change it into other token or to add a custom token, you need to get the address of the token. And I'm suggesting you this website called coinmarket.cap. Over here, you can search for the coin, and under the coin, it's going to give you this address looking thing. Just copy it. This is the address of the coin, alright? Now all the coins don't have their address because in PancakeSwap, you can only deal with tokens. So only tokens have addresses. Things like Ethereum, Bitcoin, they don't have addresses, alright? And every crypto do not have addresses. Only tokens have addresses. And token and regular crypto is different. So just keep that in mind. After you copy the address over here, you can paste it and it's going to show you over here ATA. Click on import. Click on I understand. Click on import and our ATA token will be imported. So yeah, that's how you guys can do it. So hope you guys were able to understand how you guys can add custom token in PancakeSwap. Now if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And with that said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.